Having trouble with your external disk or USB drive not showing up in Windows 11? It might be because Windows isn't assigning a drive letter. In this video, we'll show you how to fix that quickly. First, search for Services. And open it. Then, double-click on Virtual Disk. Change the startup type from Manual to Automatic. Click on Start. Then click Apply. And OK. Now, restart the service by clicking Restart. To restart your PC, click the Windows Start button, click on the power icon, and choose Restart. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. For the next solution, search for Windows Powershell. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, type disk part and press Enter. Finally, restart your PC again by clicking the Start button, then Power, and select Restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.